In the 4th century BCE, when the subcontinent was fragmented into powerful kingdoms and restless republics, a new force rose from the heartland of Magad. A young warrior, Chandragupta Maurya, guided by the brilliant thinker Chanakya, challenged the mighty Nandas and in 322 BC established the Mauryan Empire, the first empire to unify Bharat politically and administratively. From the Hindu Kush to the Bay of Bengal, from the peaks of Himalayas to the Deccan Plateau, the Mauryan flag swept across the land, setting the foundation of India's imperial legacy. And as a part of exclusive series, Empires of Bharat, today we take a deep dive into the rise, glory, governance and legacy of the Mauryan Empire, the powerful chapter where India first became one. Extent and organization. As the Mauryan banner spread across the subcontinent, administration had to evolve with it. The empire was divided into 4 great provinces, Taxila, Ujjain, Tosali and Suvarnagiri, each governed by princes known as Kumaras or Aryaputras, ensuring the king's authority at all the ends of the realm. Megasthenes, the Greek ambassador to the Chandragupta's court, marveled at Patliputra, a city 9 miles long, protected by wooden palisades and bustling with officials, merchants and soldiers. Beneath its grandeur lay a structured administrative system that held together a territory larger than any India had known before. Administrative structure. Chanakya's Arthashastra reveals a government of exceptional organization. The king was supreme, guided by wise ministers in the Mantri Parishad. Every activity of the state had a designated guardian. Sitadhyaksh supervised agriculture, Akaradhyaksh managed mines, Parnayadhyaksh regulated trade and markets, and Sunadhyaksh ensured fairness in weights and measures. The Mauryan Empire stood on 3 pillars: a massive standing army, a sophisticated bureaucracy, and a far-reaching espionage network, with spies silently reporting the pulse of the kingdom. This was governance with precision, ancient yet astonishingly modern. Rulers and their policies. 3 great rulers defined the Mauryan journey. Chandragupta defeated Seleucus Nicator and established diplomatic ties reaching the Mediterranean world. His son Bindusara, known as Amitra Ghat, the slayer of the foes, pushed Mauryan control deep into the Deccan, linking the subcontinent like never before. But it was Ashoka, once a fierce conqueror, whose transformation would echo through centuries. The tragedy of Kalinga, where over 100,000 lives were lost, left him shattered. In that moment of devastation, Ashoka found a new path, one not of conquest but of conscience. Ashoka's Dham and administration. Ashoka embraced Dham, not a new religion but a set of timeless values: compassion for all beings, respect for elders, kindness, truthfulness, and harmony among diverse faiths. He appointed special officers, the Dhamma Maha Mantras, to spread these principles across the empire. His words were inscribed on pillars and rocks, written in scripts that people could read: Prakrit in Brahmi, Kharoshthi, even Greek and Aramaic. Never before had a king spoken so directly and so gently to his people. Economy and society. Beneath palaces and armies thrived the everyday life of a great civilization. Fields bloomed with the help of irrigation, and bhag, the land tax, fueled the state's finances. Caravans moved along rivers and rode carrying punch-marked coins, symbols of vibrant economy. Urban guilds or shrenis shaped craft and trade. And on this vast cultural canvas, Brahmanism, Buddhism, Jainism coexisted, engaging in a dialogue that shaped South Asian thought forever. Decline and legacy. But as the time passed, unity began to fray. Provincial governors grew ambitious, succession turned unstable, and by 185 BC, the Mauryan Empire dissolved, replaced by the Shungas. Yet, Mauryan ideals did not fade. Their vision of centralized administration, their commitment to public welfare, and the spirit of ethical leadership left a legacy deeper than territory. Today, the Ashokan lion capital and the Ashoka Chakra at the heart of India's national identity remind us of a time when power and morality walked together. This was Mauryan Empire, where the idea of India as a nation first blossomed. a story of courage, governance, and conscience that still defines us today.